Been up all night, still running off of fumes. Long way to go, but we getting there soon. Not a ran, not a love. Hit don't get appreciated, give your dap and a hug, but ain't happy that you made it. I done seen the other side. I can promise you it's better. Lost another one to pride. Promise that I won't forget her. Out here running through these hoes. Thought about it, then I did it. Ain't nobody give a shit. I won't let they ass forget it. Threw away a couple things that I probably should've kept. Ain't proud of everything. Still ain't living with regrets. Still living check to check, but I write them to myself. Still trying to get the belt. Put the title on the shelf. I'm shifting to another game.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. If you click this video, then you should know what you're putting on today. Sorry if I'm dirty and stuff. I just got off work. And but yeah, I mean, look at this right here. My God, I am freaking excited to put these on. Like, the car needs them pretty bad. Like, come look at this, guys. Just come look at this. I mean, look at that. That's like a more than a 3-finger gap right there. Like, come on. And I mean, the back's not that bad, but it's bad. I mean, it's like a little over 2 fingers right there. But yeah, it needs them. It definitely feels like Christmas came early today. I'm so excited about this, but enough of that. Let's get this open. Scissors kind of suck, but it's all good. Alright, this. Damn, if it opens. Oh, here's the extenders for the rear. Let's put this to the side over here. Ooh, let's see. Here's those. Put that over there. Come on. Ooh! Let's go! Alright, guys, I am so excited for this. I mean, would you just look at this? Would you just look at this? How beautiful that is right there. Alright guys, so here it is right here. Man, oh man, look how beautiful that view is right there. Alright guys, so here's what everything comes with. So it comes with the coilovers, of course. It comes with the wrenches to adjust the height right here. It came with these papers, kind of instructions on how to adjust them and stuff. Also, this little pamphlet on their coilovers. Warranty tag, I assume. And a sticker. And the extenders for the rear to adjust. Oh no! To adjust the dampening. Alright guys, well, enough of me talking. Let's get this install started. First thing you want to do is get that up in the air with some jack stands. Let's go. Alright guys, once you get it up on some jack stands, next thing you want to do is get those tires off. Alright guys, so the wheels are off. I also popped my hood, so you might want to do that too. So next thing you want to do is, I'm going to start with the passenger side first. I'll probably just show one side. One side of the front, one side of the rear, just to get an understanding. That way this video won't take forever and it won't take me so long. I'll probably finish as much as I could today. I don't think I'll finish today, but I'll finish tomorrow for sure though. Tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so on the passenger side, you want to take off this 10 mil bolt right here. Guys, going towards that line, I'm just gonna take off this 10 mil to take off the bracket with the line. That way, just give it more flex when I take off the knuckle here. Just so I won't overextend the line or anything, just in case. You know, you probably don't have to, but yeah, I'm just gonna do it real quick. Alright guys, next thing you want to do is loosen the strut on the bottom. This bolt is a 17 millimeter, and behind that, over here, it's a 19 millimeter. So I'm just gonna put my 19 millimeter wrench right here, and put my 17 millimeter socket with my impact, and take it out. Guys, next thing you want to do is take this cotter pin off of the crown nut on the upper control arm. There's this little like hook right here that hooks on the crown nut. Just want to get like a little clip puller and just pry it off of there. No, come off. Let me get some pliers. Just pull it out. There you go. Alright guys, next thing you want to do is take off this 17 millimeter nut. Just break it loose and just leave it loose so we can get this upper control arm. But I'm going to try to use my gun with the swivel. See if that works. Alright guys, we're going to take a little quick lunch break over here thanks to my beautiful girlfriend.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, I'm back from lunch, and after you got that loose, just leave it on there. It's because we're gonna beat this with a hammer until it pops out, hopefully. If not, I'm gonna have to go get a tool. But let's get this started. Alright guys, so it is getting dark. Sorry about it. I'll try my best to record this process. But once you got that nut out and the knuckle out, just lean it against I'm just putting lean against this jack stand and a brick right here. But alright guys, next thing you want to do is in the engine bay is take off all your plastics. I just went ahead and did it real quick just to get out of the way. And now you want to get these 14 millimeter bolts out. Next thing you want to do is just get that bolt off the bottom of the strip. You can just hammer it out. Alright guys, once you get that bolt off, you can just pretty much get the coilover out, just like that. I got it off. I'm just turn off the camera so I can not damage anything. Alright guys, out with the old and in with the new. Look at that height difference. That is pretty dramatic right there. Also, I didn't mention these are the extreme lows, so these automatically go down 2 inches just like that. So that's what I'm looking for, 2 inches all around. Also, the spring rate for that I just did is just a 12 and a 10. Just that's the standard what they do. I am so sorry I wasn't able to record the process of putting the strut in because it got really dark and my camera had died, and yeah, but I just wanted to get it done before it got even darker. Well, it was pitch dark, but I got through with it. But yeah, I mean, just look at this fitment. Like, ooh, that looks good. And surprisingly, I do not rub so far when I was turning the wheels. I'll show a little clip right now. Anyway. Oh shit. That's all the way? I go the other way? Go fast. But I don't know how I'm gonna do in bumps and stuff, but I mean, we'll see. I'll probably get a skinnier tire with the sidewall. I need tires in the front anyway, so perfect timing. Probably give it a little stretch as well, and I'm probably gonna roll my fenders as well, but we'll see how it goes when I take it out. But man, that looks really good right there. I didn't even adjust the coilovers. That's just how dramatic that drop was with the extreme lows. Alright guys, well now let's get started with the rear. First thing you want to do is jack up that rear. So once you got that car up in the air with some jack stands, you just want to come over here to the trunk. And you just want to take off your mat. put it on the floor over there. Take off this. Just pull this up like that. Take this off. Just throw it over there. And over here, I think you just lift these up. Put them over there. Other side as well. Put it right there. Alright, once you get to here, you're gonna wanna get this up, and under here just pry it up with the screwdriver, and there's gonna be a 10mm. Same over here, and over here. Then also over here on the side there's this like little screw. I think it's either like an 8mm, or you can use a Phillips to get it off too. But yeah, then once you get those, right here in the middle, there's a clip over here and a clip over here. If you want to take those off to get this off, and then after that you can pretty much take these off. All right.
Bring it back now.
Behind over here, I guess you're gonna have to take these off as well. There's just a clip right here. I probably want to take it off all the way, just take off the side, but if you do need to take it off all the way, there's another clip right here in the middle, and another one over here. You gotta take it off as well. There's just like little thing that goes right here, something like that. But you just pull it off, it comes off, and there's also gonna be another clip right here. I already pulled it up. Just gotta, on the sides over there, just yank it. Guys, once you guys get those out, you're gonna have the struts nicely exposed right there. Alright guys, right after you get that, you just want to take off the wheels. What you want to do is get the splash shield out. There's a bunch of clips and 10mm all around. Just get those out. I'm gonna try to just take it off till here, see if that's enough room, or else I guess I'll take the whole thing off, but we'll see right now. Yes, I was able to just partially get it off. It's just enough room to get to this. I just folded it over right there, as you can see. Should be fine. What you want to do is on the lower control arm is you're gonna want to break these loose. That's 19, 12, 19, and 19. One thing I forgot to mention is you have to take this bar off. It's just 214s, so you can access be able to access the bolt over here. You have those loose. The ones that you are gonna want to take off are that one, this one, and this one. Just leave it loose, just so I can have leverage, so when it comes down, it won't be so stiff. Since you guys have all those bolts off, I just put this jack just so it can hold it, so coming from just smacking down over there. But it's gonna be two 12mm right there. I already took them off. And you're gonna want to take out these 14mm. I already had to loosen them as well. Alright guys, here's the one for the rear. Again, just look at the height difference. Wow. Sorry guys if I'm not really recording all the process. It's because it's really hard. It's a tight spot. I'm on the floor and I'm just going everywhere. So I'm sorry guys, but it should be pretty simple install though. Nothing too complicated. Guys, so this is what the finished product pretty much ended up being. I am so sorry guys that I did not get any clips of me putting them back on. I had to hurry up and finish it because I had to go get my mom mother's gift. And yeah, sorry, and I just had to do it quick, so I just did it real quick. I'm sorry guys, but here you go. It ended up looking really good. I am happy with the results. I didn't even adjust the rear either. It's all 2 inches all around how it came in. Alright guys, just look at that. Ooh, I am very happy with the results. And also guys, do not forget to torque your wheels to 85 foot-pounds. Alright guys, well that pretty much concludes today's video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. I really love how it turned out, to be honest. I love how it sits so far. Maybe I'll adjust it lower sometime, but I really like how it turned out. Hopefully it doesn't scrape a lot. I mean, I don't think so, but I hope not. Also guys, let me know what you guys want to see next on the car. Let me know down in the comments down below. Also guys, excuse my hair with this quarantine. It's just pretty bad, yeah. But yeah guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for your guys' support. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks.